Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of my new Noise ColorFit Pro 3. Noise is India's #1 wearable watch brand of the year 2020. On the side of the box, it's written designed in India, which is great. On the back of the box, the features which is present in this watch are written, like the blood oxygen monitor, stress monitor. This watch gives a battery life of 10 days and it's 580 mAh waterproof. It has 14 sports mode and it also has female health tracking. I have got it in the color rose pink. Now let's open the box and see what's there inside. Noise has really amazing packaging. Inside the box there is a black color cover with the Noise logo on it. Below the cover there is a black color envelope. Let's see what's there inside the envelope. There is a welcome card from Noise, and behind the welcome card there is a QR code for the warranty. You can register with this QR code. And here is the manual of the new ColorFit Pro 3. Let's take out the watch and see how it looks. Here is my rose pink silicone straps. The body is a plastic body but gives a very glamorous gold metallic look. The screen is a 1.55-inch screen, which is the largest in any smartwatch till date. Also in this box there is the charging cord which is present. The adapter is not provided with this box, but you can use any adapter with it. The cord on one end has a magnetic tip and on the other is a USB-A tip. That's all is present in the box. Let's see how the watch looks. There's a protective screen present on the watch. Once you remove the screen, now we have to pair it with the Noise Fit app. Pair the device. Through Bluetooth, your phone will be able to search the watch. This watch is compatible with both Android and Apple. And once you pair your watch to the app will ask you a bunch of personal questions like your age, height, weight, etc. and give you your fitness level, and you can set your own daily goals which you want to achieve. So on the watch, there's a lot of features which you can see, like the step counter, heart rate monitoring, and on swiping left you can see these. Stress monitoring, sports mode. The sports mode, this watch automatically detects the sports mode, and you can also control your music through the watch. On swiping up, you can control the brightness of the watch to not disturb. You can find your watch. On swiping down, you can see your records. Clicking the button, there's a lot of features you can do with this watch, like set an alarm, stopwatch, you can change your watch faces, etc. And on clicking the button again, you reach the main screen. So here it is, my new Noise ColorFit Pro 3.